This is what our backyard used to look like. This area of our yard doesn't drain well, so it gets really muddy. So we decided to make a gravel patio. 1 year later, this is what our backyard looks right now. A really talented carpenter made us a trellis to give us more privacy from our neighbors. It was such a mess when we were building our patio. Much better. That's my sissy playing with the hose. My mom added a bunch of plants too. We also made this fountain. There's a video on our channel how to make it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.